The trees in the boxes, they are actually not just regular Christmas trees, they are cloned Christmas trees. So it's actually the same specimen, just in 12 different versions. And the rotation is kind of a reference to this technique within plant science where the plants sort of feel like they're in a non-gravitational environment.
One can also look at it as a sort of a small scale forest where you have 12 trees and these trees are networked. So it's hooked up to a satellite, NASA satellite, which looks into a space weather, which organizes the data into the boxes, and one sees that in a speed, the direction and the rotation speed of this. Maybe we go out onto space. Does this kind of a plant, which is our cultural icon as a Christmas tree, does it follow us?
That the kind of ecologies that we inhabit now, they both have a cultural and a natural and a technical component. So that's also why we've included the Christmas trees here, which are considered beautiful. So it's kind of cultural values that determine which tree they've chosen to clone.
I think some people look at it, oh, it looks wonderful. Other people come and look at it, oh my gosh, poor trees. So there's a very different emotional reactions also towards the work, and I think that's sort of a part of it that it tries to push you to think.